Push harder. Come on, keep going. It's moving, don't stop. Almost there.
Let's remove this worn brake disc. See the deep scoring and rust? And here's a cracked hose. It needs replacing. Align the torque wrench on the bolt. Rotate clockwise to tighten. Apply steady pressure until it clicks. Stop. The bolt is now torqued. Place the new seal into the caliper bore. Press firmly to seat it. Use the tool for the final seal. Fuel system restored. Carburetors cleaned meticulously. Easy now, down she goes. Lining the mounts, good fit. Bolts are tight, hose is connected.
All right, first try, come on. No, come on. Ugh, not starting.
Panel gaps look tight. Let's check this seam. Perfect. No inconsistencies. She passes.